Maybe you know this already, but it would seem that our disposable battery-powered toothbrushes aren't as disposable as we would like to believe. By twisting off the end cap here and removing it, we find that this is powered by a AAA alkaline battery. Now, it seems that 4 billion AA batteries are used annually. As for AAAs, nobody seems to know. If you were to dispose of your toothbrush through recycling, you should remove the battery first, and it's even suggested that you wrap the contacts in non-conductive tape. I keep a whole bunch of them in my dead batteries box, and then I drop them off at a drop-off point when I have enough. Though I don't wrap the terminals on my used AA and AAAs, I do wrap the 9 volts. Those do short out more easily, and then sometimes they may explode. Anyway, once I've got enough batteries to recycle, off they go to a collection point. Those are everywhere. Grocery stores, electronics retailers, big box stores. They're then picked up by an accredited collector, sorted according to chemical composition, and sent to recycling facilities. But just how recyclable is the rest of the toothbrush? Corporations like Colgate, who made this toothbrush, have partnered with companies such as TerraCycle, whose goal it is to recycle items composed of different combined materials, like food and snack packaging made of different laminated polymers, or this toothbrush with electronics and moving components inside. But this recycling process and the companies involved, the whole thing is incredibly intricate and perhaps a bit shady, so I'm not touching that complicated mess. Not here, not now. What I do know is I won't be buying this type of product again, but what if I want to prolong the lifespan of this product indefinitely by popping in a new battery? Perfect. This will do fine. What? Oh, come on, it's just fudge. Oh, so good.